Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a warm, gentle, beautiful story about helping others. There was a boy named Rehan. Rehan was an ordinary boy. He was not very rich. He was not very strong. But Rehan had a special habit. He loved to help people. One day, Rehan was going to school. On the road, he saw a woman carrying heavy bags. She looked tired. She looked worried. Many people passed by, but nobody stopped. Rehan went near her and asked softly, "Auntie, can I help you?" The woman smiled with relief and said, "Yes, my child, thank you." Rehan carried her bags and walked with her to her house. The woman blessed him. She said, "You have a kind heart." Rehan felt happy. Another day, he helped a small child cross the road. One more day, he helped an old man find his glasses. These were small things, but they gave big happiness. One evening, his teacher told the class, "Real success is not only marks. Real success is a good heart." Rehan understood that day. Helping others does not make you small. It makes you great. From that day, Rehan decided he will help whenever he can. With small actions, with kind words, with a gentle heart. And slowly, people loved him. People trusted him. People respected him. Because kindness always returns. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. You do not need money to help someone. A small help, a small smile, a small care can change a life. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep helping others. And always remember, helping is true happiness.